Sunkosh River Rafting Expedition, a journey through untouched wilderness and living heritage. My colleague and I joined the expedition with an essential rafting safety briefing, preparing everyone for the challenges and excitement of the river ahead. The Sunkosh River Rafting Expedition, which stands as one of the most unique and enriching adventure journeys in Bhutan, offering far more than just whitewater rafting, flowing through the remote valleys, deep forests, and untouched landscape. The Sunkosh River reveals a rare opportunity to experience Bhutan's pristine nature environment in its purest form. Over the course of the expedition, the river becomes not only our route of travel but also a living corridor of biodiversity, culture, and adventure. From the very first day, the journey immersed us in a sense of exploration. As the raft glides through the calm stages and navigated exciting technical rapid, the surrounding unfold like a natural sanctuary, towering cliff, thick subtropical forests, and wide river bank, creating a dramatic backdrop, reminding us that this river remains largely untouched by the modern development. Each bend of the river offers a new surprise, quiet reflection pools, powerful rapid, and hidden wildlife habitats. One of the most remarkable highlights of the expedition was the extraordinary wildlife sightings along the river corridor. The Sunkosh River is a home to some of Bhutan's rarest and most iconic species. During the journey, we were privileged to witness majestic golden mahseer and chocolate mahseer, powerful fresh fish that symbolize the health of the river ecosystem. Their presence is a strong indicator of a clean, free-flow water and a balanced nature environment. Equally unforgettable were the sightings of the golden langur, an endangered permit found only in a small region of Bhutan and India. Observing this gentle animal moving gracefully through the forest canopy along the river banks was a deeply humbling experience. Their presence highlighted the importance of protecting the fragile habitats, which support species found nowhere else on the earth. The expedition also offered a rare encounter with white-bellied heron, one of the world's most critical endangered birds. Spotting this elusive species along the quiet stages of the river was an exceptional moment, reinforcing the global significance of the Sunkosh River as a critical conservation area. For many participants, this sighting alone made the expedition truly extraordinary. The rafting experience itself was both thrilling and accessible. The river offered a balance mix of gentle flows and exciting rapids, making it suitable for the adventure seekers with still allowing time to appreciate the surrounding beauty. Camps were set up along the scenic river banks, where evenings were spent under the star-filled skies, sharing the stories, enjoying a warm meals, and listening to the nature sound of the forest and flowing water. As we progress deep into the expedition, the river reveals its unpredictable nature. Changes in the river course, creating narrow, shallow sections where the water thinned and rock emerged beneath the surface. In this stretch, rafting was no longer possible. Working together as a team, we step into a cold water and carefully push the raft across the shallow rocky paths. Each step requires balance, passion, and coordination, reminding us that river travel isn't much about adaptability as it is about adventure. This challenging moment strengthened our teamwork and deepened our respect for ever-changing river. Beyond this iconic species, the river ecosystem supports a rich diversity of bird life, mammals, and aquatic species. From colorful birds soaring above the river to animal tracks along the sandy banks. The journey constantly reminded us of the interconnectedness of water, forest, and wildlife. Each day felt traveling through a living nature museum, where nature remains the true host. What made the Sunkosh River rafting expedition truly special was the sense of remoteness and authenticity. Unlike more commercial adventure destinations, this journey felt deeply personal and meaningful. It encouraged participants to slow down, disconnect from the daily routine, and reconnect with the nature. The expedition fostered a deep appreciation for the Bhutanese commitment to the environment, conservation, and sustainable tourism. For guests visiting Bhutan, particularly those staying at Komo Uma Resort, the Sunkosh River rafting expedition offers a unique extension of the luxury wilderness experience into the wild. It complements Bhutan's culture and spiritual richness by providing an immersive nature adventure that is both rejuvenating and inspiring. The expedition elegantly perfect with Bhutan's philosophy of gross national happiness, emphasizing harmony with the nature, mindfulness, and respect for the environment. In conclusion, the Sunkosh River rafting expedition is more than a journey down a river. It is a passage through one of the Bhutan's most valuable natural landscape. With its rare wildlife encounter, pristine river ecosystem, thrilling rafting experience, and profound sense of tranquility. The expedition leaves a lasting impression on all who undertake it. It is a powerful reminder of importance of preserving our river and forests, and an invitation to experience Bhutan in a way that is authentic, adventurous, and deeply meaningful.